friends turn and draw a monster emoji.
Yeah, it's going to be super awesome. We hope you're going to follow along. When it's folded up, it's going to be the emoji. And then when you open it, it'll be a monster.
That's cool.
You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use a marker and also
some paper and something to color with.
Yeah, we're also going to use a bowl as a template to draw the circle of the emoji. But you don't have to use a bowl. You could just draw it freehand.
Yeah.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first fold our paper. We're going to take the top edge and line it up with the bottom. And then when you get it lined up, you can crease it down the middle and then out to the corners. Then we're going to take that top flap and line it up with the top edge and crease it down again. Next, let's flip our paper over and we're going to repeat that step. Take the top flap and we're going to line it up with the top edge and crease it down the middle again. The last fold is just a guide fold. So we're going to take that flap and flatten it out. Then we can flip our paper back over. When we're all done, it should open up like this. Because we're drawing with markers, let's put scratch paper underneath our drawing paper. This is to protect our table so that we don't get marker on the table. Next, we can take our bowl and we're gonna flip it upside down and line it up on our paper. And we have kind of a small bowl so that it fits on the top and also on the bottom. Then you can use your left hand, if you're right-handed, use your left hand to hold the bowl down. We're gonna reach around and start down here and we're gonna trace around the bowl. Now, if you're left-handed, you could use your right hand to hold the bowl down. There we go, we got it.
Perfect circle.
Yeah, perfect circle. If you don't have a template, you can also just draw a circle freehand. And that's okay if it's bumpy and doesn't look perfect.
Yeah.
The most important thing is?
To have fun.
And to?
Practice.
Practice, yeah. Okay, so hold it down with your left hand like this, and then take this hand and reach all the way around and see if you can get all the way underneath the bowl. There you go, and then hold the bowl down and then trace around it. That way you don't have to lift your marker up. You can do it all in one motion. There you go, you did it. Now we can take the bowl and put it off to the side since we're done using the bowl. Now we're ready to draw the face on our emoji. Let's first draw a circle over here for the left eye. And we can draw an oval on the right side for the other eye. A tall oval. Now let's draw the eyebrows. We're going to start above the left eye and we're going to go up and then back down right at the end. Let's make that eyebrow thicker. We can start at the end and we're going to draw another line that matches, but it has a point at the end. So we get further away and then come across the top. Then let's connect the top down to the bottom. Let's repeat that same step over here for the right eye. We're going to start over the eye. We'll go up this time and then back down. Then let's start here and we'll draw the top of the eyebrow. We'll make it look thicker so it has a point at the end, but then further away towards the center. And then we can connect the top down to the bottom. All right, now we're ready to draw the mouth. I'm gonna start here on the left side, and I'm turning my paper sideways so it's a little easier to draw. I'm gonna draw a really wide mouth. That way we can make the monster mouth thicker or wider. Oh, and I like that you went all the way to the edge. That's cool too. Let's make the mouth thicker. I'm gonna draw another horizontal line, but this time I'm drawing it on top of the fold. So the first time we drew the line below the fold, this one will be on top. That way when we open up our folding surprise, we can see part of the mouth on top and part of it down here at the bottom.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to open up our paper and flatten it out. That'll make it easier to draw on. Now we have half of the emoji on top of our paper and the bottom half down here. Let's draw the bottom teeth first, the scary teeth. I'm going to start here and draw a zigzag line, a really tall zigzag line, all the way over to the right side. Now, some of the teeth you could draw small, and some of them you could draw really big.
Sharp teeth.
Sharp teeth, yeah. I think sharper the scarier. Yeah, and there you go. Keep going. Now let's draw the tongue. We're going to draw a gross tongue. It's split. So let's first draw the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes out of the teeth around, and then we can also draw it curling. Oh, that's really gross. We can start here and then curl around. Let's do that same line on the other side. We'll curve around and then up and then curl back down. Let's add a little guide point right here in between these two lines, right about here. This will be where the tongue splits. Then let's start at that guide point, and we're going to draw another curve that matches the first one. But look, towards the end, I'm getting closer until it comes to a point at the end of the tongue. Let's also do the same thing to the other side. We can match the curve coming around until we get to the point at the end. Now we're ready to draw the top teeth. Let's do the same thing we did at the bottom. Let's draw a zigzag line, a sharp zigzag line, all the way over to the other side. Next, we can draw the side of our emoji, or the side of the mouth. I'm going to start up here at the top and draw a bumpy line that comes down, and we can overlap behind the tongue until we connect down here to the bottom of the emoji. Nice. Let's do the same thing on the other side. And draw a bumpy line that comes down and then behind the tongue, and then connect to the bottom of the emoji. You could also draw a straight line to keep it a little easier. Now let's draw the inside of the mouth. I'm going to draw a bumpy line going this way. So I'm connecting to the top tooth and down to the bottom teeth, and do the same thing on the right side. I'm drawing the bumps going the other way. Yeah. Kind of reminds me of our cupcake monster. You can also draw the bumps on this side of the mouth. The last thing we can add is the back of the mouth or the throat. Let's draw the letter U for that little punching bag at the back of your throat.
But don't punch it.
Yeah, don't punch it. It might make you choke.
Yeah.
Letter U. There you go. And then we're going to start here on the left side, curve around, and then connect to the tongue. And if you go behind the, yes, that'll look even cooler behind the tooth. And then connect down, and we'll do the same thing on the right side. Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing our emoji monster. It looks really cool, except
We still need to color it.
yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video to match your same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. We finished coloring and drawing our emoji monster. It looks awesome, except we just showed our art friends the inside. You ready?
Yeah.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Roar!
Roar!
I love your emojis so much, Austin. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
This is one of my new favorite lessons. Now we added a few extra details like spots to our tongue. We also added shading. Oh, I even added bat wings.
Oh yeah. You could add even more things.
Oh yeah, maybe your emoji is eating other emojis.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your monster emoji.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we also hope you had fun adding extra things to the inside of your drawing. We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.
Roar!
Roar!